$500. I take 500. You always put it. Don't you owe me 300 from Garda?
That's a shitty life. Soon after that, I stopped hearing from Simon altogether. And then he dropped completely off the radar. There were rumors of spottings in certain war zones you wouldn't even want to fly over. Stories like that. And then slowly, the story stopped. And for me, did I miss the action? Did I want to go back to the carnage and craziness?
Where do you wake up?
Adrenaline and non-stop direction that comes from fear and death and war? Absolutely not.
Oh, show your new dad from High School Musical. What did you leave it? This is your new dad. You see how cute? Cutie. Now where's Wolfie? You see Wolfie.